how to activate your PNC credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can activate your PNC credit card, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, one of the easiest way to activate your PNC credit card is when you actually receive the credit card, you can just call the phone number found on the sticker. So basically a sticker is going to be there on your PNC credit card. When you call that number, your card will most likely be automatically activated. Now there are other cases when you will not be able to do so, and in that case what you have to do is you can do this process from your online banking, or else you can just go ahead and open the PNC mobile banking application here. Once you log into mobile banking account, you can just enter your user ID and then your password to log in, and then just tap the sign in option. After you've signed in, you can just navigate to the account activity page for your credit card account and then just click on activate card link. It's as simple as that. Everything after this is pretty much self-explanatory. Otherwise, if all of this is a hassle for you, you can directly call the PNC bank customer support. I'll make sure to drop their number down below in the description box. Call them and let them know that you'd like to activate your PNC credit card. This way you can activate your PNC credit card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.